Good morning, children. Now let us begin with the next topic and the last topic of the chapter number 1, that is Introduction to Marketing. Till yesterday, children, we have learned about what marketing is. क्या होता है marketing? I gave you the introduction that what marketing is. Marketing is basically knowing what the customer is wanting from you and giving that particular thing to the customer and satisfying his needs and wants. Then we studied certain objectives of marketing are there, which are divided into certain categories. Then we studied the importance of marketing, that why marketing is important for the business firm, why it is important for the society, and why it is important for the consumers. Then children, our next topic is now marketing philosophy, which we'll be discussing today. There are 5 philosophies of marketing which are also called as the marketing concepts. Children, what basically a philosophy is? Philosophy is a general thinking which is given by the philosophers. कुछ लोग होते हैं जो एक पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक के ऊपर स्टडी करते हैं, रिसर्च करते हैं एंड अपने कंक्लूजन्स ड्रॉ करते हैं एंड दोज कंक्लूजन्स एंड रिजल्ट्स आर नोन एज द फिलोसफीज. तो 5 categories of philosophies, 5 concepts are there for marketing. The very first philosophy is the production concept. What does production concept states? Production concept का ये मानना है, जो लोग production concept को follow करते हैं उनका ये मानना है कि if the things are easily available in the market and if they are affordable in nature, affordable means if the general public can buy them, then they can be easily sold in the market. जो ये philosophies draw की गई हैं बेटा, ये इसलिए draw की गई हैं कि आप ये देखना चाहते हो या लोग आप बताना चाहते हैं philosophers आपको कि किस बेसिस पर यू कैन मैक्सिमाइज योर सेल्स. तो those who believe in production concept, those who believe in production philosophy, they believe that if the things are easily available in the market and they are affordable, then they can be easily sold to the general public. Like example, sugar easily available है और affordable भी है, तो sugar को आप easily market में बेच सकते हो. The next is the product concept. The product concept states that कि if the product is of good quality, जो product concept है, production में quality के ऊपर कोई ध्यान नहीं दिया गया, लेकिन product concept emphasizes on the quality work. If the product is of good quality, then that product can be easily sold in the market. So what is the basic difference between the production concept and the product concept is, production concept does not focuses on the quality, whereas product concept focuses on the quality. Price matter नहीं करता है, but production concept में price matter करता है. That means if the goods are easily available and they are affordable, then they can be sold in the market. Now the third is the selling concept. What is selling concept? Selling concept believes that the seller, the marketer is the king of the market. Marketer is the seller. जो person sell कर रहा है, जो person market कर रहा है, that person is the king of the market. King means वो उसका राजा है. इसका क्या मतलब है? This means that वो जो चाहे वो कर सकता है. राजा के पास सारी powers होती हैं. King has all the powers. That means the seller has all the powers and whatever the seller wants, he can do that thing. तो selling concept ये कहता है कि the persons, those who believe in selling concept, वो ये मानते हैं कि अगर चीजें easily आप जो बना रहे हो, आप उसको मार्केट में easily सेल कर सकते हो. सेलिंग कॉन्सेप्ट के लोग जो सेलिंग कॉन्सेप्ट में बिलीव करते हैं, दे बिलीव दैट कि whatever I am making, whatever I am producing, whatever I am manufacturing, I can sold it in the market, whether it is of high price, high quality, low quality, affordable and not affordable. तो selling concept बिल्कुल opposite है marketing concept के, and it states that whatever I am manufacturing, whatever I am preparing, I can easily sell that product in the market. Then next comes the marketing concept. What is marketing concept? Marketing concept is totally based on the marketing, जो आप पढ़ चुके हो अभी तक. Marketing concept ये कहता है कि customers की needs and wants को ध्यान में रखकर आपको चीज़ों को manufacture करना चाहिए, so that the customer gains the maximum satisfaction from that product. That means अगर आपको अपनी sales को increase करना है, तो you should follow the marketing concept which states that you should first analyze the needs and the wants of the customer, that what the customer basically wants from you, and after analyzing the needs and wants, you should prepare, you should produce the goods accordingly. अगर आप ऐसा कर रहे हो तो you can easily sell your products and you can easily earn the profits. Then the next concept, the fifth concept of marketing is societal marketing concept, which states that these both the concepts, that is marketing concept and the societal marketing concepts, both are interrelated. Societal marketing concept ये कहता है कि आप earn करिए, आप customers की needs को satisfy करिए, but you should never forget your CSR. What is CSR? CSR is corporate social responsibility. एक कॉर्पोरेट जो होता है, कॉर्पोरेट फर्म जो होती है, उसकी कुछ सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज भी होती हैं. ये आपने बिजनेस स्टडीज में यू रीड अ चैप्टर रिगार्डिंग सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ बिजनेस. तो अ बिजनेस should earn profit, it should satisfy the needs and wants of the customers after analyzing them, but it should not forget the social responsibility of the particular firm or the business. तो आप social responsibility के साथ साथ अगर customer satisfaction दे रहे हो या customer satisfaction के साथ साथ आप social responsibility fulfill कर रहे हो, that means you are following societal marketing concept. So these are the 5 basic philosophies which are used in marketing. Then children, the next and the last topic of this chapter is marketing versus selling. That what basically marketing is and what basically selling is. I think you all think that both these terms are same. No. सुनने में ये दोनों terms same लगती हैं and we can use one term in place of other, but there is a huge difference between these two terms, that is marketing and selling. Selling को हम कहते हैं simply it is a part of marketing. Selling is simply a part of marketing and marketing is a wider concept. Marketing में आप क्या करते हो? Selling तो तब होती है जब आपने goods produce किए और वो बिकने के लिए तैयार है, तो आपने जो एक्टिविटी करी that activity is known as सेलिंग. एंड जब आपने सेल कर दिया वहीं पर आपकी वो पर्टिकुलर सेलिंग एक्टिविटी स्टॉप हो जाती है. बट द मार्केटिंग स्टार्ट्स बिफोर प्रोडक्शन एंड इट कंटिन्यूज इवन आफ्टर सेलिंग. इससे पहले शुरू होती है और इसके बाद तक चलती रहती है. इसका क्या मतलब है कि इसमें बहुत सारी अदर एक्टिविटीज भी इंक्लूड होती हैं. लाइक आप रिसर्च करते हो, रिसर्च करने के बाद आप प्रोड्यूस करते हो, प्रोड्यूस करने के बाद आप सेल करते हो, सेल करने के बाद आप आफ्टर सेल सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करते हो. तो मार्केटिंग इज अ वाइडर टर्म विच इंक्लूड्स सेलिंग एंड वी कैन से दैट द सेलिंग इज simply a small part of marketing and we can include selling in marketing. So I'll be giving you certain points of differences and you have to write difference between marketing and selling. So this was your chapter number 1 regarding the introduction part of marketing, and this is all for the day children. I'll be giving you certain exercises that you have to solve and you have to write the difference between marketing and selling. Thank you children. Thank you.